Hey YouTube, this is the Robinhood Investor. Hope you had a great day of trading. As always, I really appreciate your support, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. Today I'm going to talk about Alibaba, which reported earnings recently. Taking a look at Alibaba, ticker symbol BABA. So Alibaba is an e-commerce company based in China, and they also provide cloud computing solutions. Currently priced at $199 per share. Past year up 28%. Past 5 years up 127%. So definitely a growth stock with a lot of potential upside. Taking a look at the market capitalization, $535 billion. P ratio is 22.87, and dividend yield is 0, which means they're reinvesting all profits back into growth. Scrolling down a bit, so Alibaba posted an earnings beat thanks to steady recovery since March, and the retail giant sees recovery. And out of the analyst ratings, 100% give it a buy. This is based on 57 analyst ratings. And as you can see, it's had a good track record of beating the expected EPS, or earnings per share. And as you can see, they engage in online and mobile marketplaces in retail and wholesale trade. And they also have business segments in cloud computing, digital media entertainment, and innovative initiatives. So taking a look at the actual earnings slide. So this is March quarter 2020 and full fiscal year 2020 results. You can see May 22nd, 2020. So scrolling down a bit, you can see for digital economy, greater than 1 trillion US dollars. And in terms of marketplace, 6,589 billion RMB. In terms of active consumers annually, 960 million global AACs. So 780 million in China, and then over 180 million internationally. Scrolling down a bit, you can see their financial and operational impact based on recent circumstances. Tmall online physical goods grew 10% year over year. Tmall fast-moving consumer goods and consumer electronics combined grew at 25% year over year. And customer management revenue, commission revenue grew only 1%. And ELE.me saw a decline of 8% revenue year over year based on the closure of restaurants and local merchants. And food delivery growth turned positive in April as lockdowns eased and restaurants began to reopen. And here are some numbers around the core commerce. So daily active merchants on Taobao Live grew 88% year over year. And in terms of their cloud computing business, it's growing rapidly, driven by increased consumption of video content and adoption of remote working and learning. And they're a socially responsible company, so they have some initiatives laid out here. And here's some financial highlights. 22% year over year total revenue growth, 19% year over year core commerce revenue growth, 846 million mobile monthly active users, 726 million annual active consumers. In terms of cloud, strong growth at 58% year over year cloud computing revenue growth. And in terms of profitability, I think it took a hit, looking at a loss of 0.6 billion non-GAAP free cash flow. And then in terms of, it also has 0.3 billion in non-GAAP free cash flow, excluding effect of Alipay AliExpress payment services. Here's a breakdown of their income, their revenue breakdown. So you can see core commerce, overall, the commerce business total makes up 82% of revenue, which grew 19% year over year. And in terms of cloud computing, digital media, and innovative initiatives, that makes up the remaining 11%, 5%, 2%. And those areas actually had the most growth. So you can see that cloud computing grew 58% year over year, and innovative initiatives grew 90% year over year. So overall total business, Alibaba, of core commerce and all these other computing, digital media, and innovation initiatives, 22% year over year, which is huge for a company of this size. You can see some of the core trends, cost of revenue, percentage of revenue, from March to December to March. You can see that it's relatively close to last year, year over year for cost of revenue. Sales and marketing expenses, so these are relatively close to last year's numbers as well. So just a breakdown of costs, it's very similar to what we see last year. So we see growth of the business, but in terms of the cost to get there, it's relatively the same. Here are some more financials. Those are all the numbers I was interested in. You can see a lot of strong growth. And here's some financial results for looking forward. Overall, very positive, strong growth company. And I have some position in this company and plan to continue holding these positions in the long term. And that's all for this video. What are your thoughts on Alibaba? Comment down below. Remember to use my referral links below. Both of us get $20 for using personal capital or free stock for using Robinhood. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to learn about investing, subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.